Once a foreign traveler came to meet Kautilya. Who came to meet Kautilya? A foreign traveler. It was dusk. Dusk मतलब शाम का समय, अंधेरा अंधेरा होने पे. And darkness had just started to set in. So it was dusk, that is evening time, and the sun is nearly set. After that, the darkness started. So this foreigner came to meet Kautilya. When he entered his room, he saw that Kautilya was busy writing under the light of an oil lamp. When he entered the Kautilya's room, what did he find? That Kautilya was very busy and he was writing under the light, and the light was of an oil lamp. Bulb was not discovered during that time. So Kautilya was writing under the light of an oil lamp. He was seeing him. With a smiling gesture, Kautilya politely asked him to sit for a while. He then quickly finished his work. After completing the work, he extinguished the oil lamp. Extinguished मतलब बुझा देना. उन्होंने बुझा दिया ऑयल लैम्प. अंधेरा है, ऑयल लैम्प बुझा दिया. क्यों बुझा दिया? लड़ाई करना था फॉरेन ट्रैवलर से? नहीं. And lit another lamp, और एक दूसरा लैम्प जला दिया. The traveler was curious to know why Kautilya did so. Traveler was curious means he was eagerly waiting to know why Kautilya did so. एक जब लैम्प जल रहा है, उससे लाइट आ ही रहा है, तो उसको बुझा के दूसरा लैम्प जलाए. लैम्प भी तो जलाए. So he was curious, he wanted to know. Then what happened? He asked Kautilya, is this a custom in your country? क्या ये कस्टम है आपकी कंट्री का? When a guest arrives at your house, उसको ये लगा शायद कस्टम, एक गेस्ट आया है तो वो पुराना लाइट बंद करके नया लाइट जला. He asked, is this the custom in your country when the guest arrives at your house? Kautilya replied, no, my dear. No, this is not the custom. Actually, when you entered, means when the foreign traveler entered his room, I was working on an official task. Like now, I am doing my official task. The oil filled in that lamp was bought with the money of national treasury. उस लैम्प में जो तेल भरा हुआ था, वो नेशनल ट्रेजरी, जो किंग की ट्रेजरी है, उसमें से पैसा निकाल के भरा गया. It means the money which was used to buy the oil, which was filled in that lamp, this was taken from national treasury. It was not his own. So it was taken from national treasury. अब मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ तो मेरा पर्सनल या फ्रेंडली कन्वर्सेशन. गवर्नमेंट की लाइट को क्यों यूज करो, उसका ऑयल क्यों जलाओ? सो आई कैन नॉट यूज दैट लैम्प नाउ. सी, so good. Office work, office money, he was using for his own official work. But for his personal problem, personal conversation, personal use, he lit another lamp. Why did Kautilya decided to light another lamp? Answer is very clear. You will write from here. When he was working on the official task, he was using that oil which was filled from the money of the national treasury. But when he is talking to he is going to talk for the personal and friendly conversation, he has to lit another lamp because he can't use that oil for talking to his friend. What message does the story convey to the present day public servants? देखो बेटा, पब्लिक सर्वेंट क्या हुए? डीएम हो गए, आईपीएस हो गए, जिसको हम आईएएस ऑफिसर भी बोलते हैं, आईपीएस उससे नीचे हो गए, ठीक है, फिर एसडीएम हो गए, मेयर हो गए, ओके, the chief ministers, etc. all are public servants or elected representative of the people. इनको क्या बोलना है? We have to tell them, if you have got a car or a vehicle to go to office and do the office work, don't use that car or vehicle for your personal use. You want to go for a shopping with your own car, don't use that car which has been given to you to do the official work. And it should be used only for the official work, not the family is going for the picnic and they should take that car. No, that should not be done. So we have to spread this message to the present day public servants or elected representative that as the money which is given to you for the use of the car or the vehicle or the quarters, okay, that is of the national treasury, it should be used for the official work. There's a map skill. Now see here. Yes, we have done the beta. Question number 1 we have not done. Just see here. Take any 5 different coins of Free India. Here Free India means take the coin from 1947. Correct? Take one coin which was made in 1947, then one coin which was made in 1960, one in 1980, one in 2010, 2000. List the information that you can get from them. क्या क्या लिखना है? कौन सा मेटल यूज्ड हुआ था? It was silver or aluminum or gold. Correct? Okay. Language, Hindi and English especially, it is written over the language. Some coins today also you see, in some the emblem is made, in some the grass is made, wheat is made. Denomination, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, or the 10 rupee coin. Any other information that you get. Correct? So this is only seeing and doing at home, no need to write. Necessity is the mother of invention. Justify the statement with the help of examples from the life of early man. You have to say that, yes, I agree, necessity is the mother of invention, because when the early man was cutting the trunk of a tree, a big piece has fallen down from the rock to the, and when he was making stone tools, he was rubbing one stone with another, a spark came out and the dry leaves got fire. He learned to make fire. After that, he started eating cooked foods. Correct? Then he came to know how the animals can be made to be far away from the man, because by seeing the fire, animals had the fear. So when they were sleeping in the night, they used to lit the fire, so animals would not come. In winter, they used to feel warm, and they lit the fire to cook the food because it became soft and salty. Correct? तो आपको wheel के बारे में भी लिखना है, fire के बारे में भी लिखना है. Then with the core tools, it was difficult for them to hunt the animals. So they made sharp tools in Neolithic period. They started using copper, and the tools became very, very strong after that. Correct? On the outline political map of India, label the following. Okay. भीमबेटका दिखाना है, कहाँ है? उनकी बुरजाहोम, ब्रह्मगिरी. मैंने अपने स्लाइड्स में भी दिखाया था आपको. When I was teaching you, I have shown in my slides. Unski, you can see here. Correct? Chandoni is here, Brahmagiri is here. So you have to point this in the map and paste it in your classroom copy. Cut the boundary of the map, make it to the size of your notebook. Will you tell me the answer? It is very essential to keep the environment
clean and green.
Clean and green. Very good. Economic development has made villages and towns
independent of each other.
Independent of each other. Village se saman aa rahe, grains, and then the urban people are eating. And what urban people are making, they buy and they go to their village and sell it. So we are independent of each other. Which one of the following festival is not a harvesting festival?
Ma'am, Diwali.
Diwali.
Because Diwali teaches us victory of good over the evil. बुराई पर अच्छाई की जीत. The narrative principle of state policy are helpful in achieving our national goals like. कौन सा national goal?
Ma'am, economic justice.
Yeah, economic justice. एग्जाम में खाली हुआ language religion को लेकर नहीं, population control नहीं, education for all वो तो एक पार्ट है. तो पूरा पार्ट क्या है? इकोनॉमिक जस्टिस में पैसे से रिलेटेड पूरे इकोनॉमी इंडिया में कश्मीर से लेके कन्याकुमारी और अरुणाचल प्रदेश लेके गुजरात तक सभी के जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है उसका इकोनॉमिक जस्टिस हम ले लेते हैं. Several families living close to one another form a
Neighborhood.
Neighborhood.
very good. Then community life promotes a feeling of
Togetherness.
togetherness, oneness, and community life promotes a feeling of oneness, O-N-E-S-S, and togetherness, both the words. Depending on one another is called interdependence. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Interdependence. Education makes us a good. Education makes us a good.
Human being.
Yeah, human being. But the answer is
Human being.
but in your book it is human being, so you write human being. India is mainly a land of
Villages. Villages.
very. Name the first school of a child.
Family.
Family.
Family. Very good.
Family.
Family.
Family. Very good. Name the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu.
Pongal.
Pongal. Very good. What makes the fulfillment of our needs possible?
Interdependence.
Independence. Very good. What forces the villagers to migrate to towns and cities? What forces?
Job opportunity.
Yeah, job opportunities or employment. You can write any answer. Okay. Job opportunities is also 100% correct. Other name is employment. Which factor has diluted the impact of India's economic growth? India
High
gets,
growth of population.
yes, population growth. Or you can write high population. Anurag is a student of DAV Public School, Bharat, Bihar. One day, he found his best friend Shivam crying. What did he found one day?
His best friend Shivam is crying.
Yes, very good. Best friend Shivam is crying. Why he was crying? Just see. Because his father was in the hospital. Father was admitted in hospital. Everyone will feel bad. So he was also.
Yes.
But we know doctors are there to treat. But there was one more reason. And needed blood urgently. His father was admitted in the hospital and he needed blood urgently. So, दोस्त रो रहा है तो help करोगे ना बेटा? You will help your friend.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
After the school, Anurag went with Shivam and donated blood. When he reached home and told everything to the parent, Anurag gave the blood. Okay, everything to his parent. They scolded him for what he had done. Why did they scold him? Correct? Let us know. How far do you agree with Anurag's parent? I do agree with the Anurag's parent. The reason is we can't give blood. We can give blood only when we are of the age 18 and above. So how this boy has given the blood? And second, he did not inform in his house or to the teacher at school. What will you do if you get a chance to donate blood in such a situation and why? In such a situation, if I have to donate the blood, that particular time, I will inform the teacher, I will inform the parent, I will inform in my neighborhood and ask the people who are above the age of 18 years to donate the blood because the students, or you will say that because we are at the age less than 18 years. So we can't donate and we will take help of them. I hope so it is very clear everyone.
Yes, ma'am.